Hi dears, welcome back to our science class. Do you remember the chapter we are studying? Yes, we are studying about the nervous system. What is the importance of nervous system? It is the system that controls all other systems. It is a system that controls all other organ systems. We studied about the different parts of the nervous system, that is the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves, and also we studied about the function of each part in detail. I hope everyone is thorough with the topics, and now today we are going to study about another topic, that is sense organs. What are sense organs? Yes, they are the organs which connect us with the external world. Have you ever wondered that when we see something we understand that it is a tree, it is a bird flying, and when we touch something we realize that it is hot or it is cold. Then the smell, if it is a pleasant smell or if it is a bad odor, all this we realize with the help of these sense organs. How was it possible? We have studied that the sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs to the brain for interpretation. So the senses are also controlled by the brain with the help of sense organs, and it is the sensory nerves which carry the messages from the sense organs to the brain for interpreting them. So today we study about the different sense organs and their functions and their structure in detail. So shall we go for that? Before going to the topic, tell me which are the sense organs? Yes, the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs in our body. Which is the organ that helps in vision? Yes, it is the eyes. In smell, it is the nose. Then hearing, which is the organ which helps us in hearing? Ears. And the organ which helps us to feel the touch, it is the skin. So today we are studying about the two important sense organs. They are eyes and nose. First we will study about eyes. What are eyes? Eyes are the organs which help us in seeing things, They are the organs associated with vision. Then about the structure of eyes. Where are the eyes located? The eyes are located within a socket inside the skull. Within the skull there is a socket where the eyes are located. Then the front part of the eye, it is protected with the help of a covering called cornea. The front part of the eye is protected with a covering called cornea. Then this colored part of the eyes, is called iris. And within the iris we can see that black spot, and the black spot is called the pupil. Then light enters into the eyes through the pupil, and the iris controls the size of the pupil. It makes it larger or smaller to let in the right amount of light. Then behind the pupil, the lens which forms the image of the object you see on a screen called the retina. Then the nerve cells in the retina send messages to the brain through the optic nerves. So that is about the structure of the eye. The eye is protected by cornea. Iris is the colored part of the eye. The colored part of the eye is called iris. Then the black spot in the center of the iris is the pupil, and the size of the pupil, it is regulated by the iris. Then the lens which forms the image is called retina. That is when we see something, the image of the object is formed on the lens, and the lens behind is called the retina. And it is to the retina the optic nerves are connected, and through the optic nerve, this optic nerve carry the messages to the brain and thereby helps us in interpreting the vision, that is what we are seeing, to understand what is in front of our eye. So that is about the structure of the eye. Now we will discuss about some cares to be given for making the eye healthy, or for keeping the eyes healthy. We have to take some proper cares. What is the first thing? First thing is wash your eyes with clean water. Always wash your eyes with clean water. Do not read in a very dim light. That is, we should not use dim light to read. Whenever we are reading, we need a bright light. Now, when we watch TV or when we play computer games, don't do it for a long time. Do not watch TV or computer for a long period of time. Then, do not rub your eyes with the hands, that is dirty hands or dirty handkerchief. Then, sit erect, always sit straight and hold the book about a foot away from your eyes while reading. So these are the cares to be given while you are reading. That is the cares to be given to the eyes. Which are they? Wash your eyes with cold water. Do not rub your eyes with dirty water. Always use a bright light to read. Never use a dim light. Then keep proper distance between the TV and your eyes, and do not watch TV and computer for a longer period of time. Then also you have to sit straight. You have to sit in a straight position and hold the book at a proper distance. The book should be held at a proper distance for maintaining the proper vision. So these are the cares to be given to the eyes. Now we will go to the second organ, that is the nose. What's the speciality of nose? They are the organs of smell. The nose is the organ of smell. It interprets the smell of the food or whatever smell, whether the smell is a good odor or good one, whether it is a pleasant smell or it is a foul odor. All this is interpreted with the help of nose. And within the nose is also used for breathing, right? Nose are the organs of breathing, respiration. For taking in air also we use nose. But what makes it a sense organ is that it helps in interpreting the smell. Then inside the nose some nerves are present. There are some nerves present inside the nose which help in understanding the smell. What is the smell we are getting? It is carried by the nerves to the brain, and the brain interprets what is the smell we are getting. Then the sense of smell and taste are linked. What does it mean? The sense of taste and smell are linked. That means when we get the smell of a food, we realize that it is that particular food, and we can understand the taste also. That taste also comes into our mind when we get the smell. So we say that the sense of taste and smell are interconnected. Now about the care to be given to the nose. What are the cares to be given? Whenever you blow the nose, you should blow the nose gently. Do not do it violently. Why? Because when we do it in a strong manner, it will affect the health of the nose. There are small nerves inside the nose which may get broken. So we have to do it with the help of a small towel or something when we blow the nose, and it should be done very gently. Then never put fingers or any other things into the nose. It will damage the nose. Also, when we have a blocked nose, what we have to do? It has to be cleared by taking steam. We can use steam to open the blocked nose. So that is about today's class. So we studied about the structure of eyes, their function, then the nose and their functions, and what are the cares to be given. So students, that is about today's class. Please go through today's topic, read the textbook and study the spelling of the new terms. So we are winding up for today. Thank you.